Well, I just did a whole bunch of work on the Brompton, and I want to take it out for a nice short ride before I do anything important on it.
Oh, okay.
So,
How you been?
I have been great. How are you?
Hanging in there.
Did you ever get that electric bike? You're kidding me. That's, oh yeah, look at that. Look at your bottom bracket.
That's
It's a dead giveaway.
got about 5,500 miles on it this year.
And how much do we love it?
Right.
This is the Friday morning post-Thanksgiving ride with the Redlands Water Bottle Transit Company. It's a short 18-mile ride, very casual. It's late November and it is beautiful.
E-bike?
Hell no.
All the bag, just weights for training?
No, this has got sunblock and crowbars, a spare glasses, and then there's nothing in the back really.
Pretty cool actually.
It's an amazingly well made bike. And you wouldn't believe how small it folds up.
It's like half the size of my wheel.
Yeah, they're 16-inch wheels. They're almost half the size, yeah.
You must get a lot of compliments every time you ride that.
It gets noticed. But what people really get surprised by is when I show up at the start of the ride and I pull it out of the trunk.
Yeah.
And I unfold it. He's like, oh my god, that's a bicycle. I thought it was a kid's wheelchair or something.
It's folding.
Yeah. Yeah, this folds up into a regular suitcase.
Wait, I'm gonna have one of these. Wait, I'm gonna have one of these.
These are amazing when you fly. There's no excess baggage fee. There's no oversized, no overweight.
Yeah.
That's really
the wheels
convenient.
allow you, you're cutting half the weight.
Exactly. Yeah, this folds up 24 inches by 24 inches by 12,
Oh wow.
which is pretty small. No, I've only had it 2 years, but yeah, I've done centuries and double metrics on it.
Wow.
So it's a real bike, you know. It rides like a real bike.
Double
metric.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never heard that before.
Oh yeah. That's 200 kilometers, 124 miles. Yeah. I don't think I'd go past a double metric though on it. It is not as comfortable as my custom titanium Sirota, but nothing is. Nothing is. I was telling some guy that we rode your first double together, and it rained most of the day, and you crashed, and you kept riding doubles.
Yeah. I had about a 4-month-old track all carbon road bike. And after that double, they had to replace both wheel bearings.
Really? Yeah.
The bottom bracket.
It was bad.
The rims were all sour.
I just remember showering and the amount of grit in the shower pan. Here we are. All of a sudden I know where we are.
Bingo!